What you're saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It's Motivation Monday, and I am here, as always, to motivate you guys for this upcoming week. Now, before we get into what we're going to talk about today, I want to say, show me you have some faith in me and in yourself by giving these videos a like, commenting these videos if you're new around here, subscribing if you're new to the channel, and of course, sharing these videos with your friends. We want to motivate you guys each and every week on a Monday, so make sure you guys like these videos to show me you guys are enjoying it and I can keep making these videos. Now, to talk about today's subject. Today's topic is believing in yourself. Now, why am I talking about this? The reason being, a lot of people I see do not have self-confidence. I see a lot of people who are not believing in themselves, who don't realize what they can accomplish. And I'm here to tell you today, whoever you see that's successful, whoever you see that's earned their achievements, whoever you see that's got to their goals, they did not get there without believing in themselves. Yes, they may have had an upper hand. Yes, they may have been better at this or that. Yes, they may have had more money. Overall, they believe in themselves. And to start off with, if you're not believing in yourself, who's going to believe in yourself? You need to know that you have to believe in yourself. You've got to love yourself. You've got to enjoy, your presence. You've got to enjoy being you. You've got to make the most of it at the same time. You are strong. You need to make sure that you show yourself you're strong. A lot of you have so much potential in different industries, in different aspects of your life. But a lot of you might not never reach those because you don't believe in yourself. There are so many people in this world who have had potential, so many people who have had ability, natural born ability, those kind of things. But they didn't get to where they wanted to get to. They didn't get to where they could have got to just because they didn't believe in themselves. The first step of the journey is you believing in yourself. So again, I'm here to tell you today to believe in yourself. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, go and look up the stories of different people, who are famous, who have achieved great success. For example, check out Thomas Edison's story. That's a story that's going to shock you. We all know who he is. We all know how successful he was. We all know his impact on the whole generation. We all know his impact on this whole world. So I'm going to tell you today, go and read up on his story and understand exactly how it all started. Because obviously he believed in himself, but first he didn't. And, there were underlying issues. So again, I'm not going to talk about the whole story today, but go and check up and read up on that. It just shows what you can do when you believe in yourself. You guys know the saying. It goes like this. Believe you can and you're halfway there. And that is true. You cannot accomplish anything unless you believe in yourself that you can. If you have a simple thing to do, let's say cleaning up something. If you don't believe that you can physically do it, you will not be able to do it. And I know it sounds way simplified and it sounds way too easy, but that is literally the same for anything. Now that is not saying that you can do, anything in the world, that you can become the next president of the United States, within the next 2 years. It doesn't mean you can do all that. But it does mean that whatever goals you have, whatever targets you want to achieve, whatever things you want to accomplish in this life, in this year, whatever it is, you have to start off by believing in yourself. And again, I'm going to say, I see a lot of people who don't actually believe in what they can do. I've spoken to people on the phone, I've talked to people in DMs, I've spoken to a lot of people who don't realize what they can accomplish. And to be honest, it's not their fault. A lot of times we don't realize it. I've had that experience myself. We don't realize what we can accomplish. Again, this is going to be a simple example, but just creating YouTube videos. I thought to myself, I can never stand in front of no camera and speak to people. I can never inspire some people to start a business, to become close to success, to help people trade stocks, to do any of that. You don't realize what you can do until you actually start trying to do it. And once you start trying to do it, you realize that you have the possibility, the capability to actually do it. So again, this video is to inspire you guys to believe in yourself going forward. I don't care what it is, whatever industry it is. If it's art, if it's entertainment, if it's school, if it's becoming, the best person at sports, if it's anything, you need to start believing in yourself. And I'm going to keep repeating it. Each and every one of you is capable of so much more than you're doing now. If you needed to hear that today, well then it's good, because each and every single one of you can accomplish a lot more than you've accomplished so far. If you're just starting out and you're a small YouTube channel, trust me, you have a goal of reaching 1K, 5K, 10K, 100K, you can do it. You're a sportsman, you have the goal of, being the best whatever player in your year, the best, this, best at that, whatever it may be, you can do it. Whoever you want to become, whatever you want to do, luckily in this day and age, there's a lot of possibilities. We have the facilities we need, whether that's contact, whether that's, YouTube, whether that's how learning something, whether that's, internet, Wi-Fi, having a phone, whatever you want to do across different industries, we have the capability now. We have the means. 30 years ago, 40 years ago, 50 years ago, maybe we didn't have the means to do everything. For example, if you wanted to start a business, you needed to have all this stuff going on a few, 20 years ago. This day and age, you pick up a phone, you pick up your Wi-Fi, you're good to go. You got a bit of time in your hands, you're good to go. Back in the past, people need to do a lot more just to get, started with business, started to become an entrepreneur. These days, it's way easier. So for those of you who are like me in business, well done for starting. Whatever you want to accomplish, you can achieve it. For me, I have my smartwatch company, as you guys know. And again, check that out in the link in the description. But with me, I thought to myself, it's going to be difficult to start. I'm not sure how much I can do. I'm not sure how great it can be. But before I knew it, 1 year went by, 5,000 in sales. It is not a lot, but it's 5,000 more than nothing. It is better than the years previously where I thought to myself, can I do this? Do I have the ability to do this? How far will I get? It's a lot better than those kind of scenarios. You guys need to understand the stuff I've done is not even great. It's not even crazy. 715 subscribers on YouTube is nothing crazy. It's a lot more than I originally had. You guys have the capability to do the same, whatever industry it's in again. And also, I want to say, when it comes to believing in yourself, if you start something, please finish it. Because this is one trick which stops a lot of people from being great, being successful, getting things done. If you start something, please finish it. You might not have heard this before, but once you start something and you don't finish, it actually affects how you believe in yourself going forward. Unconsciously, you're gonna, not realize that it's stopping you from doing things, because unconsciously, again, it's making you not believe that you can accomplish things, making you think that you cannot do things. If you start a project, please finish it. If you try something, please do it and complete it all the way. So if that means you stop this video and you go now and check out what you need to do and finish it off, do that. But little breaks, holding stuff off, procrastination, that's killing not only your projects and what you're supposed to do, but also your self-confidence deep down. And that's where it comes to believing in yourself. We all have dreams, aspirations, goals, and like I always say, this is a high achieving channel. This is a channel for high achievers. So, being a high achiever, you need to start off by believing in yourself. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. If you find yourself in trouble, motivate yourself, push yourself forward, be your own cheerleader. Don't always rely on other people to help you out. Don't always rely on others to motivate you. Don't always rely on other people to give you that kick up the butt you need. You are yourself. You're your own person. So again, I'm going to keep saying it. If you don't believe in yourself, who is going to believe in you? They don't have reason to believe in you because they see that you don't even believe in yourself. But for those of you, who comment on this channel, you say to me, I made this amount in stocks this week. I'm proud of you. You guys believe in yourself. You went out and did it. For those of you who said you started a business, I'm always happy to hear it. Those of you who told me, you succeeded in your fitness goals, you started going to the gym, you've been motivated to go up and do something. That's all what I'm here for. That's what I'm trying to do. Make at least one person better each and every day. Even if that's just 0.1% better each and every day, that's good enough for me. If you're one step closer to success, that's good enough for me. One person needs to become closer to financial freedom. One person needs to be more in control of their time. That is what I'm trying to do here. So again, as always, if you don't understand, I believe in you, so you need to start believing in yourself. Because it doesn't make sense if I believe in you and you don't believe in yourself. Then I don't need to believe in you. So you need to have some belief in yourself, love yourself, understand what you're going through. It's all part of the process. I've talked about it in yesterday's video, the cost of success. And quite frankly, like I said, obstacles, you need to overcome them. They're part of the greatness. They're all a part of the process achieving greatness. You guys have the capabilities. You have the facilities. Now use it to your advantage. Before you do anything in this world, I'm going to say it again, you've got to believe in yourself. So that means pushing your limits, pushing your beliefs, using things to drive you forward, motivating yourself, and pushing towards your goals and dreams. Do what it takes to conquer your goals. Do what it takes to get to your achievement. Do what it takes to hit your targets. And don't just hit those targets, smash those targets. Added to that, make sure you guys smash the like button as well, like I said before. Now I want you guys to go, if you're new to business, go into the description, go and check out that first link because it's an easy guide to online business. To start, making online profits, start in business. It's a free guide, it's an easy guide. So use that if you're new to business. For everyone else, and some of you as well, cryptocurrencies is there, stocks is there, other links are there, go check those out. But this is a new week. It is time to push towards your goals and dreams. Conquer your limits, conquer those disbeliefs, get ahead and get to where you want to get to. So that's the video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Be back here tomorrow for another video. But I got me to making, you've got me to making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.